Hello, children. I hope you all are taking interest in doing your assignment as it is guided. Today, we are here with the copy work of the next chapter of Maths, that is, Chapter 2, Numbers from 1 to 10, where you have learned about before, after, and in between numbers, and comparison of numbers, that is, less than, greater than, and equal to. In the first chapter, that was Learning Basics, you were guided to write numbers from 1 to 10. And on the next page, the numbers name. Now, let's proceed towards the copy work of Unit 2. First of all, you have to draw the margin lines. First on the pink line and second at the end of the third line. Date on the left side and classwork at the right side of the page. In the center of the first line, you have to write Unit 2, and in the third line, the name of the unit, numbers from 1 to 10. After leaving one line, you will write the question, what comes before, and a small dash. The number that comes before the given number that you have to write. Again, leave one line and write number 1. And the first question is, what comes before 4? Which number will come before 4? And the answer is 3. 3 comes before 4. The main thing what you have to remember is you have to touch the full box while writing the numbers and leave one line after each and every question. The second question is, what comes before 6? So the answer will be 5. 5 comes before 6. In the same way, what comes before 2? The number 1 comes before 2. Before 9, which number will come? Yes, before 9, 8 will come. Now in the last 4 questions, you have to write the answers by your own. That is, what comes before 5, before 7, before 10 and before 3. Write each and every number as it is shown. After completing this page, again draw a margin line like this on the next page. Put date and classwork. Write the question, what comes after? You have to write the number which is next to the given number. The first question is, what comes after 2? So, 3 will come after 2. The second is, what comes after 7? 8 will come after 7. After 5, which number will come? 6 will come after 5. And after 8, which number will come? 9 will come after 8. In the same way, complete rest of the questions like what comes after 3, after 6, after 4 and after 9. The next question is what comes in between, which you have to write on the next page. After drawing the margin line, put date and classwork. And the question is, what comes in between? The first question is, what comes in between the numbers 3 and 5? So the number 4 will come in between the numbers 3 and 5. The next is, between 6 and 8, which number will come? So 7 will come between 6 and 8. Between 1 and 3, which number will come? Yes, 2 will come between 1 and 3. And which number will come between 7 and 9? So 8 will come between 7 and 9. Try to do the remaining questions, that is, what comes in between 4 and 6, 8 and 10, 5 and 7 and 2 and 4. The last question of Unit 2 is, Put the sign of less than, greater than and equal to. But before writing the question, draw the margin, put date and classwork on the new page. This is the sign of less than, greater than and equal to. The alligator will open its mouth only in the direction where it will get greater number to eat. And the question is, put the sign of less than, greater than or equal to. You have to put the sign of less than, greater than and equal to. And the first question is, which number is greater in 2 and 4? Which number is greater in 2 and 4? Yes, 4 is greater than 2. So the alligator will open its mouth in the direction of 4. In the same way, second question is, which number is greater in 7 and 3? So 7 is greater than 3. And the alligator will open its mouth in the direction of 7. The next is, which number is greater in 9 and 7? So 9 is greater than 7. In the next question, 5 and 5 both are equal. So we will put the sign of equal to. The rest of the questions are for you. Complete all the work in your fair copy. Write very neat and clean and in very good handwriting. Touch the box while writing the numbers. Take help of your parents in completing your work. Take very good care of your health, complete your assignments and enjoy your holidays. Thank you.